Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this water filter bottle from the manufacturer, Membrane Solutions, to do a review. So let's open it up, look at its features, give it a try. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, this is the C3 water filter bottle manual. A 36-ounce capacity bottle, perfect for obtaining water from streams or lakes if you're camping nearby and you need some fresh water, need to filter out some of the contaminants and so forth. So we'll take off the lid. Okay, it comes with two activative carbon filters as well as a UF straw. So this provides a faster flow rate of up to 800 milliliters per minute while maintaining 99.9% removal efficiency of chlorine, odors, microplastics, and so forth. So it has 4 stages of filtration designed to filter out black water, no grit, no compromise, just pure hydration for your home, gym, or outdoor adventures. One filter will provide up to 264 gallons per 1,000 liters of purified water wherever and whenever needed. Okay, if we take a closer look at the cap, you have a silicone nozzle, you have the nozzle cover, you have a durable handle, and the bottle has a wide mouth. Okay, this is a 36-ounce capacity bottle, 100% BPA free from plastics. So let's take the protective plastic off one of the filters. So let's screw on the filter straw on the bottom. So you have an adjustable ring here that you can rotate and indicate what month that you started using this filter to give you kind of an end of life estimate. So we'll screw the other filter in, the straw. This in turn screws up into the bottom of the cap. And then if you're at a nearby stream, you can dip the water bottle here into the 36-ounce bottle. Do not overfill past this maximum mark level here. But once you have the water in here, you place the lid back on, tighten it up, and the water will be sucked in through the bottom of this straw and go through the particulate filter, then the activative carbon filter. It's kind of hard to demonstrate its effectiveness when you can't see chlorine, bacteria, and so forth. So this is the water filter bottle, but concept is pretty good. Fill the bottle up no more than this max line here. Then you have the silicone straw, and the concept is as you suck in the water, it'll go through this particulate filter first and then the activated carbon filter in this stage here before it actually reaches your mouth. Very effective at leak proof. You have this additional screw on cap here to ensure it doesn't leak. Then you have the carrying ring handle. So I highly recommend this water filter bottle from Membrane Solutions.